Urdu, little bit I'll mix and I'll speak. You can understand English, no? मुझे उतने उर्दू बात करने नहीं आता, हिंदी भी उर्दू दो भी मिक्स कर लेती हूँ। ये उर्दू इंग्लिश में स्पीच देना को तो रत्ती सोचती हूँ, कहीं को तो है मैं इस्लामिक कुबल कर को हूँ मैं। So I'm very happy to take the Islamic 30 years back. I was a love marriage. I'm a Hindu. I married a Muslim guy. I love very much Islamic. Even I have a madrasa. Even I have madrasa and trust everything. But because of women, always I'll fight. Urdu, little bit I'll mix and I'll speak. You can understand English, no?
Yes, better understand all.
मुझे उतने उर्दू बात करने नहीं आता, हिंदी भी उर्दू दो भी मिक्स कर लेती हूँ। मैं स्पीच के लिए साउथ कर्नाटका में, साउथ इंडिया में स्पीच के लिए मुझे बुलाती, कहीं को तो उतने जोर से स्पीच देती हूँ। ये उर्दू इंग्लिश में स्पीच देना को तो रत्ती सोचती हूँ, कहीं को तो है मैं इस्लामिक कुबल कर को हूँ मैं।
जोरदार तालियां बजाओ, जोरदार तालियां।
So I'm very happy to take the Islamic 30 years back. I was a love marriage. I'm a Hindu. I married a Muslim guy. I love very much Islamic. Even I have a madrasa. Even I have madrasa and trust everything. But because of women, always I'll fight. Always woman is the ground to earth. Yes or no? You'll believe it or no? Without woman, anyone can do anything? No voice. Everyone got to agree, I think so. Yes or no? No voice. I'm very happy to, thankful to Siddiq sir. He called me here. So much of things he has done. I'm very happy about him because you know, उतने साल से अब 90 years means I'm really surprised and very happy he's doing for girls so much of work for the society, for everything. मुझे तो औरत के लिए सब कुछ दिल में एक चीज रहती है, आगे आना कर को सब जने वो आगे आना, आगे हाको तुम्हें कूल को बात करना, नहीं तो औरत के लिए औरत कभी भी आगे बढ़ने को मर्द बने नहीं छोड़ती क्या? सामने बोल डालती जाओ कर को, पीछे गजीक लेती है कि नहीं की? इसके वास्ते हमें हिम्मत कर को, हमें हिंदुस्तान नहीं ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड में औरत किसमें भी कम नहीं है, मगर इस्लामिक में हमारे इंडिया में आपको तो अच्छा मालूम क्या क्या चल रहा कर तो हिजाब पे चल रहा, सीई में चल रही, बते तलाक ट्रिपल तलाक में चल रही, फिर भी ये मोहल्ले में 14 members ladies was a counselor. I was very happy, congratulations to them because औरत it is not very easy to come out and become a something, doctor, engineer, lawyer, anything let it be, woman, any caste, any religion, was not so easy to come out and do it. Because we are suffered, we know one step in the, let it be politicals, let it be whatever it is. Only husbands will agree, my wife should be the family, it should be the happy. But when she goes to out, other men will not allow. Why any woman should come forward, no one will allow. That too especially Islamic and Muslim peoples, Muslim ladies. So please try to come out and do achievement, something, whatever you have in your the heart, what something, all the ladies, all the girls, anyone things will be there in your heart to do. Anything, whatever social work, so learn tailoring, classes and something, so many things are nowadays, when 20 years back it was our parents they live 100 and 120 years. Now we don't have much. You know, after COVID, within 20 years girls, 2 years babies are dying. You are saying no? So you believe it on your faith and do it something. Don't sit in the hut home. You want to do something, please come out and do it. Otherwise no one will pull. No one will take you out. They will think after 16 years, after 18 years, we should marry and give. They will think so much of become a gold right. So much of it is this thing, what to do for our girl babies. Yes or no? So achieve something and come out and do. I am very happy to come here and do me little bit speech. I don't know how many are understood. मेरा स्पीच कितने जने को अंडरस्टैंड हो को है कि नहीं कि मालूम नहीं। मेरा मदर टंग है तो मैं अच्छा बात कर सकती थी, मगर इंग्लिश उर्दू में मिक्स कर को बात कर रही हूँ। मेरा इरादा इतना अच्छा है, प्लीज़ follow the Islamic. If you leave 3 times food, 1 time food also it's okay, but don't leave Islamic. Learn about Islamic, read namaz, everything, and do whatever. If you no need to do others good things also it's okay, but don't do bad things for others. I'm thankful to the people you called me and given me such a big opportunity to the speak. Thank you very much. All the best for your everyone, and please दुआ में याद रख लो सब जने। थैंक यू वेरी मच।